When your filtration system is critical to product quality, operations, and profitability, you don't need a vendor. You need a filtration engineering partner. At Sparkler Filters, that's exactly what we are. We've focused exclusively on solid liquid separation since 1927 at a depth and scale no one else can match. That means if your process has a filtration challenge, we've seen it, fixed it, and likely improved it. Our team of 100% US-based engineers designs, fabricates, and supports every Sparkler system right here in the USA. When you call us, you get a filtration expert who knows you, not a call center, not a representative. An engineer who knows your process and knows how to solve your problem. We specialize in custom ASME certified pressure filtration systems, full-scale automation and multi-system integration, technical discovery and process improvement, product-specific SOPs, lethal service, general project planning, and more. Our work speaks for itself. 83% reduction in media costs for a global chemical producer, $10 million revenue increase from a mining circuit optimization, 4 times throughput gains for a pharma-grade crystallization process. When you've engineered over 50,000 successful projects, results like these become the standard rather than the exception. It's what happens when filtration engineering is your only focus, for 100 years straight. So if you're scaling up a Merrill-Crowe circuit, dialing in pharma clarity specs, or just sick of cycle time inefficiencies no one else can explain, call us. We'll solve it, and we'll prove it. Sparkler Filters American Engineering, trusted by the world's largest manufacturers since 1927.